Hey everyone, with a resolution of 1920 by 1200, the Teclast T65 Max boasts an amazing 13-inch IPS screen that sets it apart. Teclast highlights that its viewing surface is 65% larger than that of standard 10.1-inch tablets, which makes it perfect for a variety of uses, such as productivity tasks, gaming, and movie watching. The display's 16:10 aspect ratio and 300 nits of brightness provide for a vivid and engrossing image. The Helio G99 chipset, which combines two powerful A76 cores with 6 efficient A55 cores, powers the T65 Max. Smooth performance for daily usage, multitasking, and even light gaming is promised with this configuration. The tablet comes equipped with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, expandable virtually up to 12 GB, offering ample memory for seamless operation. Storage options are generous, starting at 256 GB internally, with the flexibility to expand further using a microSD card up to 1 TB. Running on the latest Android 14 OS, the T65 Max provides a clean and intuitive interface with enhanced privacy features and customization possibilities. Teclast has optimized the user experience for landscape mode, enabling users to run certain apps in split-screen mode for enhanced productivity. In the camera department, the T65 Max sports a 13-megapixel rear camera with autofocus capabilities, accompanied by an 8-megapixel front camera for video calls. The rear camera is equipped with a fill light to improve low-light photography performance. Connectivity options are robust, including dualSIM dual standby with 4G support and VoLTE calls, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2 with LDAC audio codec support, and multiple satellite positioning systems for accurate navigation. The tablet's huge 10,000 mAh battery and compatibility for 18 watts USB PD rapid charging make it ideal for extended use. With a 3 watts high-power amplifier and AI noise cancellation technology, the quad-speaker sound system improves audio quality, especially for voice calls, guaranteeing clear communication even in noisy settings. The T65 Max, a captivating tablet with a roomy 13-inch display and the Helio G99 CPU, was just released by Teclast. The T65 Max, which retails for 12.99 yuan, or roughly $179, combines a number of amazing features at a reasonable price. Interested purchasers can readily acquire it on JD.com, where it is now listed for sale. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it useful and informative. Have a nice day and God bless you.